Hi, my name is Matthew and today I'll be solving a Rubik's Cube. So, over here I have a timer which will time me of how long I'll take to solve this Rubik's Cube. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, let's see. So, that's it. And then the green bit goes there. Twisty, twist, twist. Blue, switcheroo. And then the red one. Where's the red one? Okay, I found the red one. In the corners. By the way, if you're wondering who shuffled my Rubik's Cube, my mom actually shuffled it for me. Cause, yeah. Okay, I solved the first layer, now onto the middle layer. Let's see. No, wait. I think I'm making mistakes. No, I screwed up. I screwed up. Oh my gosh, I need to redo this whole thing. So stressful. Please. This game is so tired. Okay, back into the middle layer. So, boom, there, twist it. No way. I think I made a mistake. So it's like this, then I twist it. No way. No way, now I'm really confused. Oh, I got. Okay. See, so green bit, other way, that. No way. So there, twist, drop, round, forward, other forward, there, drop. Okay, I got red, blue. No. Oh my gosh. Do this. Oh, okay, last one. No way. Oh my gosh, that screwed up the whole thing. It'll take me a long time. Yep, if I do this, I'm so confused. This is making no sense. So I put that there. Oh, okay, I did. Fix that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, now I solved the middle layer. Now I need to figure out how to solve the top layer. And then okay, now I just do Okay, and then let's see. So none of the corners are currently matching. So I forgot how to do this one. I don't want to research it right now, so this arm. Okay. Wait. I think it was. No, I can't do this. R-I F-I R. Wait. No. I think if I remember something like R-I-F-I. So R-I-F-I R-I-B-B-R-F R-I-B-B-R-R. What? I don't get how this happened. No. Oh, great. I just reached. Great. Great. Okay, again. Let's see. No way. And then this one's R F U R I U I F. No, that's not it. Great, I screwed up again. I'll be stuck here for like 10 minutes. Because I forgot I'll do one of the rhythms. F-U-R, and then bang. F-R-U-F. Okay, it's still fine. F-U-R-R-U-I-R-I-F-I. Okay. R-U-R-U-R-U-U-R-I. R-U-R-U-R-U-U-R-I. Here's that we go. That's 7 minutes. U-R-U-U-R-I. Oh, okay, I got one of the layers. I-F-I-R-I-B-B-R-R-I-B-B-R-R. Oh, okay, I remember now. Okay, now I have all the corners together, and all I need to do is like solve those center bits. So FF and then 2 L's. No way. FF. No way, I'm confused now. LL. No. Did I just screw up the whole center? Oh my gosh. I somehow just screwed up the whole center layer. You've actually gotta be kidding me. I have to resolve the whole thing. I somehow screwed up the middle layer, which is now making me redo the whole thing. Here's blue, orange. Red, green. Okay, now I have to read the whole thing. F-U-R-U-R-F-I. Okay, I'm good. So R-U-R-U-R-U-R-I. R-U-R-U-R-U-R-U-R-U-U-U-R-I. Okay, that's good. Now let's see. R-I-F-I-R-A-B-B. R-F-I-R-I-B-B-R-R-U. Okay, now time to resolve it. this, flip. No way. I think that wasn't it. I think it was flip, ding, ding, dum, dum, done. No, that's, I don't remember. This, twist, ding, down, down, up, there, back, twist. Oh, okay, I should be done. No, great, my timers went up once. Done. Okay, it took me 10 minutes and 25 seconds to solve this Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.